Hi, this is Ryan from Foxtecc. Today, I'll be showing you how to sync apps from your iPhone to your iPad. Let's get right into it. First, make sure both devices are signed in with the same Apple ID. This is really important because it's what allows the devices to stay connected and sync properly. If you're using different Apple IDs, the syncing won't work, so double check that. Next, you need to enable iCloud on both your iPhone and iPad. Go into Settings, tap your name at the top, and you'll see an option to turn on iCloud. From there, you want to make sure that both iCloud Drive and App Sync are turned on under the iCloud settings. This is what allows your apps to sync through the cloud. Then, head over to Settings again, but this time go to the App Store settings. You need to toggle on the Apps option under the Automatic Download section on both devices. Once you do that, any app you download on your iPhone will automatically download on your iPad. This makes it super easy to keep everything in sync. If there's an app you've already purchased on your iPhone but don't see it on your iPad, don't worry. Just open the App Store on your iPad, search for the app, and you'll be able to manually download it without paying again, as long as you're using the same Apple ID. Finally, make sure both devices are connected to Wi-Fi for smooth syncing. If one of your devices isn't on Wi-Fi, the apps won't sync properly and you might run into delays. That's it. Now your iPhone and iPad should be in sync, with apps automatically downloading across both devices. Thanks so much for watching. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips from Foxtecc. See you later.